Hello folks, Tev Hyman Castro here, owner of THC Electrical. This is our first tutorial and I would like to show you guys how to fix a wobbly fan. I've been doing electrical for a long time. I certainly don't know it all, but I would like to share with you what I do know. As far as these weights go that you get with your new ceiling fans, they're pretty much useless and you can just toss them out. The easiest way I found to fix a ceiling fan is to first tighten up all the screws, both located in the motor blade where the fans attach, right here, and then also the screws where the wood attaches, here. That's the first step.
Yeah, you know. Send them out to Wagwan. Yo, just hold firm, you know. Keep moving. Hold your head up, you know. Hey, yo. Wake up in the morning, say a little thing to God. Him bless me, there's food in me cupboard. Remember in the days when time well hot.
To bend the fan blades so that they're all at a similar angle. As you can see, this one's way out of whack. This one's a little out of whack. The remaining three look okay. So let's just go ahead and try to bend that one at the same angle as that one, like that. Same with this one. Let's try to bend this one, same angle. And then you measure from the ceiling down each blade. So we're at, you can see that we're at 30 inches here. $30 there, that's good. That one's 28. That one's 33. That one's 29. Then we go back to 30. So let's just use 30 as the common denominator, and we'll go ahead and bend the rest of these blades to 30. So this one needs to go down a couple inches. And the metal here does bend, just try to use restraint and common sense on how hard to bend and how much pressure to get where you want it. That's about 30 there. And then this one was off as well. It's down to 33, so we need to bend this one up. And you just like that. And then you can see that kind of loosened up. So we'll go ahead and just tighten that up again. And this is the way to fix a wobbly fan without using those magnetic weights. Those are a pain in the butt. I've tried them and they normally don't work. I've never got those things to work before. So we're still a little low here, 32. Okay, it's not an exact science, people, just get it close. 28, let's see. Try to keep the tape measure stationary. 29, 29, 29, 29, 28. This one just needs to go down a little bit, and I think we fixed the fan. And there you go. That's how you fix a wobbly fan, my friends. Easiest, fastest, most logical way. Thanks for watching.